We're gonna play Barbie Dream House with my cousin.
Hello!
Tumingin ka dito.
O kaya nga, yun, tignan mo.
Barbie Dream House.
Check mo kung gano'n estimate.
Doon tayo sa kabila.
Nakalagay dito stress.
Dito. Ah. Oh. Okay. Okay. Part 2 time. Part 2. Wait a while. I have a... Don't tell me natanggal na ang bahay ko. Hindi. Kuya mo dati, sabay naglaro tayo tatlo dito. Kuya mo gusto maglaro ng ganito araw. Kaya ng bahay ko. Look, I don't have money. Where's mama? Where's my money? I don't. Lalakad ako sa kanta. May kasi. Ay, tinatakpan mo. Ako na tanggalin mo sa kapal. Tanggalin mo. Huwag mo takpan, tinatakpan mo camera. Ito. Oh. Money. I got disconnect, guys. Ito tawa yung tawa. Ayan, umuubo na. Yun. yun? Klaseng ubo yun. Iba na nga yung laro natin. Let's check what is your...
recording ka, Barbie Dreamhouse.
Mamaya na. Pokemon na lang. O iba. Tingnan na muna natin ang nilalaro ng kuya mo. No, thank you. Hey! No, I don't want to play Jurassic Park. I don't like it.
What is that? Oh.
Unmean abusive type. Ano yun? Among Us.
Kay Sex Esim yan.
Hindi na. Tinatakpan mo. I'm red, bro. I'm red. Red stuff. Mante! My God, they're so makulit. Naughty. Ay! Loser daw mo, guys. Loser daw kayo.
Damn.
Whoa.
You.
Jester.
What?
Ano yung jester? Be ejected instead of one imposter.
Give me that.
Be annoying. Prank crewmates.
Let me play.
Be kicked out. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be annoying. Lalo na ating tas na ganyan. Tingnan mo kasi saan may question marks. Ayaw mo yung ano mo.
Meow.
Stupid.
Isang super.
Uy, be annoying nga daw prank comics nga.
Oo nga, nag-i-explore nga ako. At ba't may toilet dito?
Guys, may toilet dito.
I should get here.
Pumunta ka doon, tapos kung pinitis mo. Ayun ito.
Where?
Ayun o. Doon sa akin na yun o. Tapos na yan, talon. Hindi dyan.
Look. No!
Don't
Go away.
Don't fix it. No! Dapat ayaw mo mag-ano. Ang sabat.
Ikala ko dead body.
Kala na natin yung sasarap ng isang tao. 5, 1, 5. Oh, huwag na kasing pilisan. Ako na. Ay, ka. Isa sa dalawa. Huwag mo kasi kamibigan ng mga kamay. Hindi na Sige. Patuloy kasi. Hindi tayo nag-injector. Finish the task mo. Carl. Miley. Tinatakpan mo sa yung camera. Yan. Wait lang. Mati! No!
Wait. Look at me.
Dito mo kasi hawakan mo. Yan.
I'm so smart.
You're not. Ha? Captain Clinic. Okay, I'm the captain. Pause meeting and inform anyone. Judge your crew. Finish your task. Okay. Ikaw dapat magsasabi lahat. Ikaw kasi yung captain. Hindi tagadyan yan. Hindi tagadyan yan. Yan. Ilagay mo sa tamang ano.
I'm suspicious.
I recall the images to bottom. Get the images bottom. Hope me first.
Basically suspicious.
I recall the images to bottom.
Stop following me.
I recall the emergency.
Help, guys, help! Help!
Find the emergency meeting, bro. Call, oo. Call.
No.
Para sabihin mo, think fast. Diyos ko, ikaw yung captain eh. Kung suspicious ka, magtawag ka eh. May nakukuha ka ba? Oo. Isang pinto pa. Magtatagal tayo. You quit? You just quit, Tara. You called the emergency number.
What at me? Oh. And this is suspicious.
Investigate! Hindi mo ba alam investigate? Uy, Marco. Voted purple ako.
I don't know.
You don't know you start whispering first, and I just joined you.
I think you're suspicious, guys. I'm gonna call.
Call mo na. Di ba sabi ko fish is purple?
Huh?
Fish is purple. Ayaw mo mag-walk.
Hindi!
Huh? Si Pinky yan eh. Hindi naman yan si Purple eh.
Purple yan!
Ayun colorblind.
Let me by helping tata.
Ayun color purple. Comment. Wow, no. O, diba sabi ko sa'yo, color purple? Ayaw mo pa maniwala. How sa metang hindi mo pinos?
Worm?
Hindi mo yung gagawa dito. Boring. Ilang minutes pa.
Bye.
Hindi, post na muna natin. Post na natin.
No. Why is it dying? It's 33K. Want to play horror, guys? Let's go.
Guys, don't play horror. It's scary.
It's midnight at 3 a.m. in the morning.
It's not.
Ow!
Yan. Guys, it's not 12 a.m. It's actually 5:42 p.m.
We'll tingin na natin.
No. That's scary. That's scary, bro. That's scary. No homo now.
Who wants to play po? Me. Me. Guys, play right with SES. And if it's one, only let's lock it in.
Ano siya, sinap yung tablet mo yun, klase yun.
Where's the kid?
Wala pa nga eh. Ano yun?
Bang! Bang!
Kaisan ka na siya.
Aba daw kasi siya.
Hindi niya naman ako nakita. Guys, mamaya mag-house tour ako. Saan sila? Naiwan ka. Alam ko anong gagawin mo dyan. Pumunta doon. Doon.
Never mind, it's too lag. I hate this.
Hindi ganun talaga. Alam ko na yan eh. Ginawa na namin yan ni Kuya eh. Hindi naman ata yun yung limit eh.
Let's play this.
Tower of Color. Salit-salita tayo.
No. No. Guys, do you agree? He said yes. Stop dancing.
Go! Go up!
Let's do here.
Yan, kaya mo yan. Beshi. Yan, tapos na.
Yay! Ball! 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 Ball!
Wala na, hindi ko mag-isip. We're
Ball?
gonna first try, nahulog.
First, these balls and balls and balls and ball! Balls, balls, balls. I hate this game.
Pinom mo na ba? Hindi pa.
22 minutes of
Alam mo
playing
ba,
Roblox.
friend ko, alam niya na YouTuber ako. Baka panoorin niyo to. At makikilala ka ng kaibigan ko.
Let's play Itlog.
Yeah, my cousin, bro. You're English speaking. Why are you understanding Tagalog? Tupit.
Sophia. Pupet. Let's do Obby. First, these, and these. Your word is stupid. S2.
Stuck.
Kuya, ko.
Parkos.
How about
Parkos. Kamay.
Lamay.
Kamay.
please spell Bagyo?
Bagyo. Bag.
Yo.
Bro.
Okay, now spell
Clown.
Ilong.
Ro.
Long. Yan.
How about Pag-asa?
Uy, pag-asa. Pag. Sa.
Pag-asa.
Yan, okay na.
Please spell Dictionaryo.
Tama ako ah.
Oo nga. This is... Oh,
Let's do the Obby. It's so easy.
nagawa ko na yun first.
How about Kalungkutan?
Hey!
Sinabi ko na talaga.
Goodbye.
Okay, now spell
Bro, lead ng lead ka. Ano bang lalaro natin?
Cut off. Ito na yung game na gusto ko sa.
For ilang minutes
Oh,
na.
ito. Ito game trip ng gusto.
Escape tsunami from brain rot. Bro, yeah, brain rot game. Guys, my cousin is a brain rot. Ah!
Get slapped. I'm not playing what?
You're a brain rot.
Let's pick up PPQ.
Anong pinapakita mo? Sarili mo?
6, 7.
O kamay mo?
Oh.
Ay! It's my turn!
Alam ko paano to.
My turn! My turn na talaga.
Sige, try mo yan.
Saan yung ano?
Linda, walang sinabi. Hindi mo yung mamatay kasi ano pipilit mo?
I survived! I survived!
Nakakadaliwan.
I survived, haha. Please pray not. I survived, haha. This is
I just know what to play the game.
survive first.
I'm not inviting friends.
No, don't invite your brother.
How much is the apple? Too expensive, but I can afford it. Let's upgrade my burn up. Cheers right now. What?
Please lang kasi yan.
That's falling.
There's but nobody.
Nobody is you. You cannot show me. Nobody is.
Just run. Meron ng papunta.
Yes. Well, let's upgrade our speed. Not gonna die.
Wala sa rin ito lamin mo. Sabihan mo.
6, 7. At hindi ako mamamatay.
Dalawang tsunami talaga. At isa pa.
I don't care about that medium name.
Mayroon pa.
Oh, hintay ko lang. I'm patient.
Done.
And not.
Nothing.
And not. Done.
Done na.
And got 2 burners in a row.
You don't want to say.
$30%. Not gonna die. A bombini ko din. Please. Let's go.
Ay, super sure na. Nalulog ka na.
Madaya yan!
Dali, amay.
Yes!
Daya!
Yes!
Kaya ba sisin yung ano?
Najump ako!
Ha, hindi mo na sa'yo nakuha.
At namatay ka na! Hindi kasi nakita yung wave eh.
Bakit ito yun?
Fake. Di-jump ko iPad mo pag hindi. Palapad ni Pedro. Palapad ni Pedro!
Hindi nakakasing nga.
Hindi. At nakuha pa isa pang brain rot.
Pero ako hindi ako nakasasaya. Wala yung nakuha ko sa'yo. May pasok kayo bukas? Wala? Oo nga, no. Wala pa yung pasok bukas.
Good. At namatay.
Hindi nga. Ito eh. Pwede isip ko lang mag-bilis. 6-7. That's 6-7. Ay, 6-9. 6-7 ba yun? 6-9. At 6-9 yung 6-7.
And never mind. Kala mo hindi ko nakikita yung password na eh. Pag hinapas mo, hampasin kita.
6-7. Alright, it's 6-7.
Yes! Another brain rot.
Nagtatago ko for no reason. 6-7. 6-7. Mistake.
Haven't won yet.
Parang isa lang kumain siya. Isang beses lang kasi. Tinatakpan mo talaga yung camera. Hindi mo ba kaya ipapay dyan? Buwang dilim. Another 6-7. Ay, bulita.
Ayun, ang pintana niya, pinapasok ko kayo ng mga kuwagang alaga. Alin? Dito mo na, ano na? Close the window na, close the window.
Ito. Ha? Hindi. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Naka-video ako.